Russian TikTok warriors continue to provide content for memes. Russians tried to storm Ukrainian lines at the administrative border between Luhansk and Donetsk, when the charges of an UR-77 meteorite mine clearer got hit by Ukrainian artillery. Wives and mothers of Russian barbarians from Military Unit 11079 forgot they live in a brutal dictatorship and are begging authorities to return the surviving men. The commander of the unit fled, then told them that only 30 survive out of original 200. And for the end, Hollywood actor Sean Penn gives his Oscar to Zelensky.
This is for you.
Oh, Sean.
Yes.
No.
Please.
That is yours.
No, I feel terrible outside. it's just a symbolic, silly thing.
Yes, but
if I know this is here with you, then I'll feel better and stronger for the fight.
So great to honor, but until we will.
When you win, bring it back to Malibu.
Great.
Yes.
Great. Okay.
Because I'll feel much better knowing there's a piece of me here.
We have to be. A moment which is very important. It's not from me. It's from Ukraine. It's more important than only from me. Yeah, please.
The President of Ukraine for outstanding work. Thank you.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.